So replacing this bulb will be the same for the glove box, center storage, Roadster trunk, and the footwells, except the footwells have an extra cover. To replace this bulb, you don't need any tools, but a flathead could help. Start off by prying down on the light fixture's lip on the side that has the little indent. If you can't tell which side that is, go ahead and try prying down on either side, and one should give easier than the other. If you did the previous step fast enough, or you have gloves, you can just pull the bulb straight out and pop the new one in. But if the bulb is too hot, just pull out the wire from the fixture. You can either let the bulb cool, or you can use a flathead and push the bulb out from the base. Then just replace the bulb. Next, plug the wire back into the fixture. If the bulb doesn't light up, just flip the bulb around to the correct polarization. Then put the fixture back wire first, and you're all done.